The word for this video is gardening. As a verb, gardening means to grow plants in a garden, to create or maintain a garden. For example, I love to garden. This year I am going to plant some daffodils. As a verb, gardening means of a batsman to inspect and tap the pitch lightly with the bat so as to smooth out small rough patches and irregularities. As a noun, gardening means the process or action of cultivating the soil, particularly in a garden, the care of a garden. Horticulture. For example, his hobby was gardening. As a noun, gardening means the act of a batsman prodding at the pitch with his bat, typically in order to flatten any bums. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more word videos.